Good morning, friends, and to all my friends in the US. Today being the 4th of July, a very happy Independence Day to you. Yesterday, I was reading an article, very interesting article, on a topic called forest bathing. I guess this originated in Japan in the 1980s, called Shinrin Yoku. Just like we sunbathe, they have this concept of forest bathing, where you walk along forest trails and soak in the natural atmosphere. I guess it takes care of a lot of stress and psychological issues. I found that article very interesting. Probably you guys can look it up on Google and read more of it. Here in the midst of this lovely forest and the gushing streams, it's beautiful early morning. Check out the view. It's great. See you guys tomorrow.